god. Well, don't judge, I have also joined iStock but have not uploaded very much, but most do soon. I hope your work in construction industry is going well. All the best. All the best to you as well, but I am not working already in construction for already more than 3 years. I changed my work and now I work in food industry, like cooking stuff. Let me show you inside. I am at work right now. Last week I took with me my camera and shoot some photos and stock footage, you know, and I have to upload and see if we'll have some sales on stock agencies. Like, let me show you what I'm doing at the work, by the way. There inside I have something. It's not cooked, but let me show you. It's not the final result anyway. I can do a stock footage like, you know, like so, with my camera, not in today's video, because, you know, it's not ready yet, not good yet to eat. In 50 minutes I think they are ready. Big yards, okay. And also have here something else. It's not seen yet, but I will take off and we'll see. Well, how do you think this will be sold on stock on Adobe? You know, like I cooked here. Yay! It's very cold here. Yay! I finished this product already for today. It took a lot of time. How do you think if I do a footage and upload on Adobe Stock, it will be sold? Also I can do, well, I take away this, and for stock I have to shoot like that, kinda. In Adobe Premiere I will do some edits, and warp stabilizer I will apply. Well, start again. Wait. Okay. Oh no. Yes, good. Oh my god. Damn. Well, finally this is ready too.